Hello and a very warm welcome. Today I invite you to join me on a rather extraordinary and perhaps somewhat unnerving exploration into the hidden corners of the natural world. We shall be venturing into realms where survival often hinges on the possession of potent, almost unimaginably complex chemical weaponry. These are not tales of tooth and claw alone, but of intricate venoms, refined over millennia of evolution, each a testament to nature's ingenuity and its sometimes perilous beauty. It is a world where a single drop can signify the boundary between life and a very sudden, irreversible end. Welcome to our countdown of the most venomous animals in the world. These creatures possess some of the deadliest toxins known to science, molecular marvels that can disrupt life's most fundamental processes with astonishing speed and precision. From the sun-drenched tropical oceans to the arid landscapes of remote continents, these animals have perfected the art of chemical warfare, not out of malice, but as a crucial tool for predation or defense. Our journey today will, I hope, foster a deeper appreciation for their incredible adaptations and the delicate, often dangerous balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. So prepare yourselves as we embark on this fascinating, albeit cautionary, voyage. We will look closely at 5 remarkable species, each a master of its own toxic domain. We'll investigate the mechanisms of their venoms, the impact they have, and the reasons why these creatures have evolved such formidable capabilities. It is a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is a stark reminder of the raw power that nature can wield, often in its most unassuming forms. Let us begin. Our first encounter takes us beneath the shimmering surface of the tropical Indo-Pacific waters, a realm of vibrant coral reefs and an abundance of marine life. Here, drifting with a serene, almost hypnotic grace, is an animal of ethereal beauty and profound danger, the box jellyfish. Its bell, often cuboid in shape, hence its name, pulses rhythmically, propelling it through the water with an unnerving quietness. Trailing behind this translucent apparition are up to 60 delicate, ribbon-like tentacles, some stretching as long as 3 meters. These are not mere appendages for locomotion. They are, in fact, laden with millions of microscopic stinging cells, the infamous nematocysts, each a tiny spring-loaded harpoon ready to discharge its lethal cargo upon the slightest contact. The box jellyfish, particularly species-like, is not a passive drifter entirely at the mercy of the currents. It possesses a surprisingly advanced visual system with clusters of eyes that allow it to navigate and actively hunt small fish and crustaceans. When an unsuspecting creature, or indeed an unfortunate human swimmer, brushes against these trailing tentacles, the reaction is instantaneous and devastating. Thousands of nematocysts fire simultaneously, injecting a complex cocktail of toxins directly into the victim's tissues. This venom is a potent brew, designed to rapidly immobilize prey, but its effects on larger animals, including humans, are nothing short of catastrophic, attacking the skin, nerves, and most critically the heart. The consequences of such an encounter are often dire and terrifyingly swift. The pain is described as excruciating, immediate, and overwhelming, leaving victims scarred both physically and emotionally. But it is the cardiotoxic nature of the venom that makes the box jellyfish so feared. Within minutes of a severe envenomation, the toxins can cause cardiac dysfunction, leading to respiratory distress, heart failure, and tragically death. The speed at which this occurs often leaves little time for medical intervention, solidifying its reputation as perhaps the most venomous marine creature known to our world, a silent, beautiful, yet utterly formidable presence in these warm coastal waters. We now journey far from the ocean's depths to the sun-baked, cracked earth plains of semi-arid Central East Australia. It is here in this seemingly harsh and unforgiving landscape that we find our next subject, a creature of quiet disposition but possessing a truly fearsome arsenal, the inland taipan. Often referred to as the fierce snake, a name that perhaps belies its typically shy and reclusive nature, this serpent prefers to avoid confrontation if at all possible. Its scales, often a dark tan to a brownish light green, provide excellent camouflage against the parched earth and sparse vegetation, allowing it to move with an almost ghostly stealth. However, should it be provoked or feel cornered, the inland taipan is capable of delivering a bite of extraordinary efficiency and lethality. Its venom is, by measure of its toxicity to mice, in laboratory tests, the most potent of any snake on Earth. A single envenomation can deliver a complex cocktail of toxins so powerful that it is estimated one bite contains enough venom to kill approximately 100 fully grown adult humans or 250,000 mice. This incredible potency ensures that its primary prey, usually small to medium-sized mammals like rats and bandicoots, succumb with remarkable speed, minimizing any struggle and risk of injury to the snake itself. The venom of the inland taipan is a sophisticated blend of powerful neurotoxins, procoagulants and myotoxins. The neurotoxins swiftly begin to shut down the victim's nervous system, leading to paralysis, while the procoagulants disrupt blood clotting, causing internal hemorrhaging. Myotoxins, furthermore, contribute to muscle damage. The onset of symptoms can be terrifyingly rapid, and without prompt and specific antivenom treatment, the outcome is almost invariably fatal. It is a stark reminder that even in the most desolate of landscapes, nature has forged instruments of survival of unparalleled and indeed terrifying power. Returning to the marine realm, we now focus our attention on a creature that proves lethality does not always correlate with size. In the shallow tide pools and coral reefs of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, from Japan to Australia, lives the blue-ringed octopus. Rarely growing larger than a golf ball, this diminutive cephalopod is an astonishing jewel of the sea. When calm, its mottled, yellowish-brown skin provides excellent camouflage against the sand and rocks. But disturb it, and a dramatic transformation occurs. Iridescent blue rings, vibrant and almost pulsating, flash across its body and arms, a dazzling yet ominous warning of the danger it possesses. Despite its small stature, the blue-ringed octopus harbors a venom of terrifying potency, primarily composed of tetrodotoxin, the very same neurotoxin found in pufferfish. This potent substance is not produced by the octopus itself, but by symbiotic bacteria residing within its salivary glands. It carries enough of this venom to kill, it is estimated, up to 26 adult humans within mere minutes. What makes this creature particularly insidious is that its bite is often painless or feels like a minor prick, meaning a victim may not even realize they have been envenomated until the more severe symptoms begin to manifest themselves with alarming speed. The tetrodotoxin works by blocking sodium channels, which are critical for nerve impulse transmission. This leads to rapid muscle paralysis, starting with numbness around the mouth and face, progressing to difficulty speaking and swallowing, and ultimately respiratory failure as the diaphragm and other breathing muscles cease to function. Crucially, the victim often remains fully conscious as paralysis sets in. There is no known antivenom for tetrodotoxin. Survival depends entirely on immediate and sustained artificial respiration until the toxin is metabolized and excreted by the body. A tiny, beautiful creature, yet a profound testament to nature's capacity for deadly chemical precision. Our next formidable subject lurks silently in the coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific, a true master of disguise and the undisputed title holder of the world's most venomous fish. The stonefish. Its appearance is perfectly adapted to its environment. Mottled, grey and brown with a warty, irregular skin texture, it bears an uncanny resemblance to a rock or piece of coral rubble. This extraordinary camouflage allows it to lie motionless on the seabed, virtually invisible to both prey and potential threats, including unwary humans wading through shallow waters or exploring reef flats. It is this very crypsis that makes an encounter so perilous. Along the stonefish's dorsal fin are 13 stout, sharp spines, each equipped with 2 venom glands at its base. When the fish is disturbed or stepped upon, an all-too-common scenario given its camouflage, these spines erect and can easily penetrate a shoe or bare foot. As pressure is applied, the integumentary sheath covering the spine is pushed down, compressing the venom glands and forcing the potent toxin up grooves in the spine and directly into the puncture wound. The venom itself is a complex mixture of proteins, including the neurotoxin stonostoxin, which causes immediate and excruciating pain, often described as far exceeding that of any other marine sting. The agony is not the only consequence. The venom can cause rapid swelling, tissue necrosis around the wound site, shock, paralysis, and, in severe cases, cardiovascular collapse and death if not treated promptly. The pain can be so intense that victims have been known to lose consciousness or plead for amputation of the affected limb. Fortunately, an effective antivenom is available, and its administration, along with supportive medical care including hot water immersion to denature the venom, is crucial for survival and recovery. The stonefish serves as a potent reminder that in the natural world, beauty is not a prerequisite for danger, and sometimes the most innocuous-looking forms hide the deadliest secrets. Our final exploration into the world of venomous marvels takes us back to the warm tropical seas, where amongst the coral sands and rubble dwells a creature of exquisite beauty and equally exquisite lethality, the cone snail. These marine gastropod mollusks possess shells that are highly prized by collectors for their intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Yet, beneath this alluring exterior lies a highly sophisticated predatory apparatus, one that has evolved to hunt and subdue prey, often fish, with astonishing speed and efficiency, using a venom that is among the most complex known in nature. The cone snail is a slow-moving hunter, but it compensates for its lack of speed with a remarkable weapon. It possesses a modified radula tooth shaped like a tiny harpoon, which is loaded with a potent cocktail of toxins, collectively known as conotoxins. When prey is detected, usually by chemosensory cues, the snail extends its proboscis and, with a rapid muscular contraction, fires this venom-laced harpoon into its victim. Different species of cone snails produce hundreds, sometimes thousands, of distinct peptide toxins, each targeting specific ion channels or receptors in the nervous system of their prey, leading to almost instantaneous paralysis. For humans, an accidental sting from certain species, particularly the larger fish-hunting cones like Conus geographus or Conus textile, can be extremely dangerous and potentially fatal. The complex conotoxins can cause intense pain, numbness, muscle paralysis, blurred vision, respiratory failure, and cardiovascular collapse. Alarmingly, there is no broadly effective antivenom currently available for cone snail envenomation, making treatment largely supportive and symptomatic. These beautiful shells, therefore, house one of nature's most sophisticated chemists, a slow, deliberate hunter armed with a molecular arsenal of breathtaking complexity and deadly precision. And so our journey through the world of some of nature's most venomous creatures comes to a close. We have witnessed the silent grace of the box jellyfish, the understated lethality of the inland taipan, the deceptive beauty of the blue-ringed octopus, the camouflaged danger of the stonefish, and the intricate weaponry of the cone snail. Each of these animals, in its own unique way, showcases the incredible power of evolution to shape life in response to the relentless pressures of survival. Their venoms are not mere poisons, but highly specialized biochemical tools refined over eons. As we have seen, these creatures, while undeniably dangerous, are integral parts of their ecosystems. Their venoms, primarily evolved for subduing prey or defending against predators, are a testament to the complex and often perilous tapestry of life on Earth. Understanding them not only helps us to mitigate the risks they pose, but also opens up fascinating avenues for scientific research, as many of these toxins hold secrets that could lead to new medicines and a deeper understanding of biological processes. It is a world that commands our utmost respect and cautious admiration. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and be aware of these deadly creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. The natural world is filled with wonders, some beautiful, some formidable, but all deserving of our curiosity and our efforts to conserve the delicate balances that allow such extraordinary diversity to thrive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and always treat the wild with the reverence it deserves.